I'm back. Yeah, it's your boy CON Seated, aka Mr. Cut the Beat, aka Mr. Slow It Down. I just dissed you, aka Jimmy Shootron. Back again with another video for the gang. You know how I do these weekly pickups. It's for y'all and for me, of course, but I like to share with my peoples, the joints that I cop, from the holy grails to nostalgic vibes to even the new joints. Alright, so we get about to get this joint rocking. Before I do, of course, as always, shout out to the sponsors, the Hollywood Apparel. You know they got the best authentic licensed merchandise, tees to go with the feats. This is probably one of my favorite ones. They got the MTV Spring Break 94 Beavis and Butthead. Fire. I have the link in the description. The link will be the first one in the description. Hit that link. But while you're there, also make sure you follow me on Instagram at my personal Instagram at NYC and my Kickstagram, Jimmy.Shootron. I'm gonna have those links in the description as well. But without any further ado, we're gonna get this joint rocking and we're gonna start it off right now. The Air More Up Tempos, the OG colorway, aka the Pippins. Last Dance out. The Last Dance must have just put a fire right under Nike, son, because they came right back out with these joints. These joints just dropped, I think, what, 16? Super duper fire shoe. You wanna know what's so crazy about this joint? I've never had this shoe. Never. I had the Olympic pair. I never had the original black and white pair. I've always wanted them and I finally got them. I never got them the first time they retro, which I think was 08, with that leather, that cheap, disgusting plastic, whatever. Horrible. Them joints not even allowed in my crib. Just get them away from me. The next time they retro, I think that was a 2016 pair. I'm not sure if there was one in between there, like a 2010 or 12. I'm not sure. But regardless, that retro I never got. And now I finally got them in 2020. So thank you, The Last Dance, for making Nike bring these back out, because they riding that wave and it worked. Moving on. Bam! Off-white rubber dunk. These definitely will look way better with the green laces. Now, let me explain with this shoe. This shoe is definitely going to be a love-hate shoe for most people. It is a very bulky shoe. I do like bulky shoes. I'm not that much a fan of this, but I will say when I put it on the toe, I did like it better. So I would say go try these on if you plan on getting them. Try them on first. I don't know why these joints are called rubber dunks. It doesn't look like a dunk at all. Maybe it's, the bottom of the sneaker maybe. I know that's definitely a dunk for sure. And then on top of that, they got the stars on the toe. So, you know what I mean? So maybe that's like the only thing dunk about this shoe that I see, to be honest. But yeah, rubber dunk, off-white joints. Keep it rolling, you know me. Like we always do, climb the ladder on the feet pieces. It's just gonna get better and better and better. But this was a really fire week on, so let me just tell y'all that. So nothing's really gonna be trez, or everything's gonna be crazy, at least to me. Moving on, Shibuya. This is probably my second favorite pair out of the 3 joints that they dropped. The Halloween pair, y'all saw my last pickup. And then the white pair, I think, is my favorite one. But this is the Air Force One Shibuya to represent the city of Shibuya in Japan. Japan exclusive. This was released in Japan only. So that's definitely dope. The colors, super fire. I definitely think they did good on the shoe. That chocolate brown bottom, fire, because this is not like a normal gum bottom. It's like a brown joint. So fire. What do y'all think of these? Next up we have, boom, you wasn't outside. Y'all wasn't outside, son. You wasn't outside for these. If you were outside, you would know. Here we go. Hold on, let me see something. Who's that? Whose signature is that? Huh? Futura. I don't even know if y'all said the answer or not. So the ones that did, good job. These are the Futura Air Force Ones. Crazy, that perforated leather going all around the mid and the back. Love it. But I'm gonna tell you the illest joint about the shoe. The bottom, translucent sole, be true on the bottom. Who was outside for these? Who remember these? Huh? And we're back with these, the Michigan Dunk Highs. Woo! Yeah, fire. Must cop. Not gonna spend too much time with these. Y'all seen these. Fire. Moving on. Bam. Only 200 pairs made in the world, and 50 of them were auctioned off for charity. Crazy. This is the TED Talk Nike Air Trainer 1. Crazy. You see it spread. Ideas. See that? Ted Portland, so you know. Whew. The toe box, what I like the most, all the perforated holes in the toe. Ew. But yeah, this is a silhouette sneaker that I've always loved, so Air Trainer 1. Crazy. I told you this, it's not even tip of the iceberg yet, because I got something crazy at the end. Crazy. Let's keep it rocking. Boom. Had to show y'all the box of this. This is a dope box. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Whoever did not get these, I feel sorry for you, because these are crazy. These are like the color blocking, the color combo, the little special accents on it. This joint right here. 75 right there. That tab right there. Boom. Like this pair PSG, y'all bodied it. Good job. And the quality's ill. The quality's fire. If you did not get these, you're bugging. I feel like these joints should be like a crazy red sneakers. That this joint is fire. Fire. So I'm definitely can't wait to throw these on the feet. But PSG. Moving on, the usual. You know, you already seen that. You already know what them holes mean. Retail gang, sell off white 5s. Make no mistake about it. These are cool. They alright. I rocks with them. I do like them. Make no mistake, this is not better than the black pair. Not at all. Fire sneaker. Not better than the black pair whatsoever. But nonetheless, still Gucci if I'm just keeping it 2 Virgils. Bam, you already know. Love the execution on the box. Even more so, love the paper. But even more so, love the shoe. Union Force. I will be cutting my tongue to make it the normal height. This shoe is really nice in person. I cannot lie. I can't lie. Definitely the tongue did throw me off, you know, but now, you know, since we all know we got that option, you know, we're not gonna spend too much time with these because y'all already seen these joints. Alright, bomb. Retail gang, bam. I'm only showing y'all the boxes that actually is dope, or if you haven't seen, or etc, etc. I know you're probably like, yo, is that just a black Nike check? Nah. It just cut out. See that? Boom. You see that? Now you see why the check is cut out. Alright, and bam, now you see the sneaker. These are the Denham Air Max 1s. They came out in the Netherlands. That is a jean company that was found in Amsterdam like 08. They actually were supposed to make 6,800 pairs, but they ran out of material, so they only made 4,800. So there's only 4,800 pairs of these in the world. Super duper dope. Look at the laces. Fire. The insole. And on the collar it says Denham the Jean Maker. So these kicks are definitely my top Air Max 1s for 2020. No questions asked. Ooh, now we get into the home stretch. The home stretch, you know, like it's about to get crazy. Bring it on. Bam. Chamber of Fear LeBron James Air Force 1s. Self-doubt joints. Oh my God. Crazy. Look at these joints. Bam. Now let me actually show you the illest part about this sneaker. Bomb. That's probably one of the illest insoles you'll ever see. Look at that. Look, LeBron on there. Congrats on that chip, Bron. Got on the Bron 2s on there. Woo! You wasn't outside. Were you outside? You wasn't outside. Now we're about to end it off with the last sneaker. This is the final one, and as you see, it was getting crazier and crazier with just fire joints. But this one, you will see a unicorn before you see these. Bow! Rainbow Pack Jordan 15s. Oh my the rainbow pack is one of my favorite packs, and this is definitely one of the ones I've been dying from that pack. Yo, the rarity is just the icing on the cake. Yes, they're super duper rare, yeah, but yeah, I mean, I get GRs, I get all that, everything I like, but yo, these joints are so fire. Regardless, like, you don't see these. Look at that. You shitting me? Oh my goodness. Look, man, that is the weekly pickup for this week. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you hit me on the gram. Let me know. Remember the gram, you can hit me on Conceited NYC, or you can hit me at Jimmy.Shootron. They both are right there, and they will also be in the description. And also, shout out, make sure you go shop up and get fly with the Hollywood Apparel. They got the illa joints, like I said. That link is the first in the description. Before you leave, wait, don't leave. Before you leave, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. At least do one. I want you to do all three. But if not, you just do one. I mean, it would just help, and it will make me want to get more videos out for y'all that y'all like. Alright, so you know what it is. Holla at me. See you when seated. Alright, peace.